The death toll in Tamil Nadu has risen to 63. 63 people dead because of spurious illicit liquor that was made available to them. It's probably the biggest tragedy that Tamil Nadu has seen in the recent times. Dozens of people are still undergoing treatment, but remember, many of the families have suffered, where men, specifically some of those who were breadwinners, have died because of consuming this liquor. NCW member Khushbu Sundar, meanwhile, met some of the victims after the National Commission for Women had taken suo motu cognizance of the death of even 6 women in the Kallakurichi Hooch tragedy. Political showdown expectedly has escalated on this. AIDMK has staged a hunger strike in Chennai against the DMK government for not even permitting party MLAs allegedly to speak in the assembly about one of the biggest tragedies in the state. Opposition also demanding a CBI probe in this matter. Meanwhile, with regard to the investigation that is on, we are informed that about 20 accused have been taken into custody. A report of the probe has been submitted to the High Court. Not the first time, but the question is, will it be the last time that we lose people because of this illicit spurious liquor that was available to them?
Every day, our Chief Minister is inviting the leader of the opposition to come to the House for discussion. Has he ever turned up? They come with an ulterior motive to cause problem in the House. They get out without give. And we are ready to face. Our CM very boldly said, come, I am ready to meet. But even today, they have just walked out. Only 2 or 3 more days. These 3 days, this drama will be conducted. After that, they will fade.
It's very saddening to see the kind of situation that is there in Kallakurichi. It's a man-made disaster. There are no two ways about it. This man who has been arrested, the case has been transferred to CID.
I want to bring in my colleague Shilpa Nair, reporting live on this story, and she's been constantly tracking updates. Pramod Madhav and Shilpa on this. Shilpa, tell me this, because the liquor is so toxic. 63 people dead, including women, and that others also are currently undergoing treatment. One, tell us about the probe in this case. It's not simply an accident. Why did the authorities not take this into consideration earlier? And 2, also tell us the politics of it, the showdown that we see in the assembly.
Well, yes, Pujan. As far as the investigation is concerned, the Tamil Nadu government has transferred the investigation to the CBCID, a judicial commission. A retired judge is also, undertaking inquiry. The Home Secretary and the DGP is also all set to submit a report to the Chief Minister explaining what went wrong and what steps need to be taken in the future to prevent such tragedies. Now, as far as the arrests are concerned, over 20 persons have been arrested so far, is what the government has said. Those who source the methanol which was used in making of this illicit liquor, the man who sold this liquor, Govindaraj, to all the villagers in Kallakurichi, all of them have been placed under arrest, is what the government says, and it is going on in the right direction, is what the DMK government says. But the opposition parties are not happy with this because they demand a CBI inquiry, because they say the truth will not come out if the CBCID continues to inquire this matter, because the opposition parties have been alleging that there is collusion, and there is collusion between police officials, between local politicians and those who sell and produce this illicit liquor, is what the opposition parties say. And even now, as we speak, the AIDMK is all set to hold a symbolic hunger strike here in Chennai, demanding a CBI inquiry into the Kallakurichi Hooch tragedy. Moreover, all the AIDMK MLAs were suspended from the assembly, because ever since the assembly session began here in Tamil Nadu, the AIDMK MLAs have been trying to create ruckus, demanding a proper discussion on the Kallakurichi Hooch tragedy, but the speaker denied them permission. So every day we either saw them walking out of the assembly or them being evicted. And yesterday, of course, all the AIDMK MLAs were suspended for the rest of the season. So the opposition party, the principal opposition party here, says the DMK government is trying to muzzle the voices of the opposition party. The manner in which the assembly is being run is non-democratic, is undemocratic, is what the AIDMK, of course, has been saying. And that is the reason why today they will be staging a symbolic hunger strike till 5 p.m. Opposition leader Edapadi K. Palliswamy and others will be arriving here in just a short while from now. And the BJP too, remember, they too are mounting pressure on the government. The BJP delegation had called on the governor, and all of them really seeking a CBI probe, because they say the truth will not come out if the police under MK Stalin's government is going to probe this entire matter, and that is the main demand as of now. But the death toll,
the question remains here, of course. One, the liquor so toxic, so illicit, so widely available. Nevertheless, 60 people and over dead. The death toll is still rising. Who will take accountability of this? We'll be tracking the latest. Shilpa, thank you very much for now.